I think one of the questions we get is why the thymus gland? If you're in medicine, you might have heard of the thymus gland. It is about the size of your thumb and it sits right under your breastplate. The thymus gland is the teaching center for the immune system. You've heard of T cells? Well, those are thymic cells. And while we're young and we are able to fight off chronic disease, that we have a fully functioning thymus gland that's teaching the immune system.
As you age, your thymus gland goes through a process called involution, in which the cells are replaced by adipose. It's no longer functioning at its maximum. As you get older, you're more prone to getting infections, cancer, autoimmune disorders, and responds very inefficiently to vaccinations. At FibroBiologics, we're utilizing fibroblasts as a scaffold for generating an artificial thymic organoid to replace the lost functionality of the thymus gland.
We think, from a biologic standpoint, if we can reestablish the thymic function in older adults, we can get the cancer surveillance and chronic disease surveillance back to when we were younger. I think the interest in what we're doing is that we are the only technology out there that is going to extend the life of the immune system, actually re-energize the immune system by creating an organoid of the thymus gland. In our view, the thymus gland could be the actual key to human longevity.